Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying essentials: a smart TV with Google Assistant or a Chromecast device, and the same Google account on both. Once done, connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Use the same 4 or 5 GHz band to avoid discovery issues. Open the Google Home app on your phone. That app is how you'll discover and link the TV. Make sure Bluetooth is on so initial setup messages and pairing prompt appear without delay. Now add the TV in Google Home. Tap plus, choose Setup Device, then either add a new device Chromecast or link a supported brand under Works with Google. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair, watch for code on the TV, and confirm it on your phone. Assign a room and give the device a clear name so voice commands target the right TV. Make sure firmware and the Google Home app are up to date to avoid compatibility errors. Finish by testing simple voice commands. Turn the TV on, play a show, or change volume. If the assistant doesn't respond, restart the TV, phone, and router, then reopen Google Home and recheck device linking. Make sure the Google account used on the TV matches your phone and that app and TV firmware are current. If problems persist, unlink and relink the device in Google Home. That refresh often resolves persistent pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.